Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. That was the song coming from Ro Derek, and the song is called Pagkakataon. Song brought to you by Red Alingatong Capsule.
The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong nasa capsule na. Hatid ng GreenMed Pharma. Red Alingatong Capsule is now FDA approved.
Matamlay na ba ang sex life? Stress? Pagod at problemado? Wala na bang ibubuga pagdating sa kama? Red Alingatong! Red Alingatong! Para balik-sigla ang buhay may asawa. Nakakatulong din sa menstrual problems, internal bleeding, prostate enlargement, sexual performance enhancement. Nakaka-regulate din ng menstrual cycle.
Red Alingatong Capsule. Mabibili na sa mga butika. The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong Capsule. FDA approved.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Red Alingatong now available in drugstores nationwide. Available in the Subic Bay, Freeport, Olongapo, Bataan, and Zambales. Red Alingatong Capsule. Gagaling ka dito.
Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. You're still jamming with DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. And once again, you guys heard an original composition from Ro Derek. Okay, it's called Pagkakataon here on 895 Subic Bay Radio. Well, first time for us to play the song here dahil I just grab hold of the audio ngayon pa lang. Pero alam nyo ba, the cool thing about this, you guys are in luck dahil makakausap natin yung artist behind the song mismo. Ayan. Okay? So, eto, kausapin natin siya. Live by Pongon Patch ang kumanta nung song na narinig nyo just a couple of minutes ago, si Mr. Ro Derek, and here he is. Ayan. Hello. Good morning, Idol. Good morning.
You guys are in luck. Hello po. Good morning po. Good morning.
Ay.
Thank you, DJ.
Oh, thank you for taking the time to answer the call, ha?
Yes po. Maraming salamat.
Ayan.
Welcome po. Welcome. Always
Ayan.
listening naman sa radio station.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, he's the artist who goes by the name Ro Derek. Ayan. Tinawagan kita kasi para makapagbigay ka ng a little bit of something about the song we just played. Ayan. The song is called Pagkakataon, right?
Yes po. Pagkakataon. Yes
Yeah. Did you compose the song? Ikaw mismo yung sumulat, nag-compose,
Yes po.
nag-arrange, everything?
Yes po. Original composition po.
Wow, napaka-talented na mama. You did everything, pati recording, pati arranging and all.
Yung arranging po, I partner with my partner, Acero. Tapos din, may kagrupo po kasi ako. Sometimes may mga kanta ko na I collab with Acero, which is a flip-topper, and also a local artist sa Olongapo, rapper.
Okay, wow, that's nice. All right. What's the inspiration behind the song sa pagkakataon?
Yung pagkakataon po kasi ay pinopost ko yung kanta na yan out of depression kasi last year a lot of things happened sa buhay ko. I was down, maraming naging pagsubok sa buhay, so I'm thinking of something na to inspire myself. So nag-compose ako ng kanta na kumbaga galing sa puso.
Yes.
Which is from the word pagkakataon is that every day, as long as nagigising tayo, there's always a hope. Yung
Yes.
pagkakataon na baguhin yung buhay.
Oo naman.
It's another light sa buhay natin na senyales na binibigyan tayo ng pagkakataon ng Panginoon na maka-move on to those things at saka may mas magandang araw na dumarating sa buhay natin as long as buhay tayo.
Yeah,
Yun yung talaga inspiration behind the pagkakataon.
Yeah, that's so beautiful. Yung pinagmulan kung paano siya. Tama nga naman yun. We experience something, that makes us depressed or no. We can make something out of it pa rin eh. Lahat ng, alam mo, sabi nga lahat nga doon ng mga hindi maganda nangyayari sa buhay natin, we can make something out of it, 'di ba? Kung wala man, magiging learning experience mo rin siya, 'di ba? So it's gonna be something positive pa rin. Just look at the silver lining, 'di ba? Ganun lang daw 'yun eh. Pare ko, curious lang ako. Since you do this kind of things, this kind of music, sinong influences mo? Sinong yung mga ito yung mga favorite
I'm an old school
yeah.
Old school ako eh. So,
Yeah, obviously, yes.
Tupac Shakur, yes, sa 40s na ako. But way back kasi, mga siguro, nakwento ko nga before, is nung panahon pa na kay DJ Dan, mga Rap Public Days.
Yeah,
Pero
yeah.
also, kumakanta na ako like when I was 18, mga 22 years ago. Tapos, piniplay na rin ni DJ Dan dyan sa DW, nung dating radio station, yung kanta namin. So, Tupac Shakur, yan, mga kapanahunan ko yan eh. Francis Magalona, of course. Yan, yan yung mga iniidolo ko, yung mga sinusundan ko.
Yeah, the old school.
The old
Very
school,
cool. Yes, definitely. All right. Okay. Tapos do you guys have an album out parang ganun or how to get your music kung may mga interested for those who wanna get your music?
May binubuo kami mga kanta. Actually, I pick kasi mga songs eh kasi like at my age at the same time I'm representing kumbaga Christianity. So I choose songs na mga, kumbaga, maraming gusto makipag-collab pero ayoko ng mga kanta na may mga mura or out of like gang songs, more on inspirational.
Yeah.
Pero so,
yeah.
we're creating those kind of music na tipong out of the genre nung karamihan ngayon. The Gen X na mostly party, alak, gimmick. So, I'm trying to, kumbaga, insert a music which is old school but mostly inspirational, pag-asa sa buhay. So, trying to do something different.
Yeah.
Para naman may marinig yung mga tao na gano'n. So, meron kaming binubuo, pero ilan songs pa lang. Actually, meron akong kanta. You can, follow me sa aking YouTube, sa aking YouTube channel sa, Road Derek lang. Hanapin nyo lang, Road Derek.
Ayun.
Tapos Derek.
Okay.
May mga songs ako doon. I created yung, kami nag-compose ng kanta ng Agila, if you know the Fraternal Order of Eagles.
Oh, yeah.
Kami kumanta ng Agila Basketball League.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Ginagamit nila sa bawat basketball league sa buong Pilipinas.
I heard that
Yung
one
song
time.
Yes, kami gumawa nun.
Oh, that's
kami
nice.
And then, meron din akong kanta roon sa channel ko na Paglipad ng Agila. About our fraternity, our organization, about the Fraternal Order of Eagles.
Okay, that's
Yan,
nice.
mga ganun, so.
Ayan. So ayan, ladies and gentlemen, if you wanna grab hold of their music, yun lang sa YouTube channel na lang yung sinasuggest mo, no? Yung sa kanilang
Yes, po, sa
YouTube channel. Ayun. Just look it up. Road Derek. R-O. Tapos, the Derek is D-E-R-R-I-C-K. Ayan.
Yes po.
Oh, kasi may ibang spelling ng Derek minsan eh, di ba?
Opo.
Yan. Okay, so that's how you grab hold of their music, ladies and gentlemen. Just look it up on YouTube, their channel. Ayan. Okay. So, once again, thank you for taking the time and it's such a beautiful song itong pagkakataon na plinay natin. So, any final parting words para sa mga tagapakinig natin, pare Koy?
Ano lang po, basta enjoy lang natin yung buhay natin. Then listen to positive music kasi it creates positive vibes sa buhay natin everyday.
Tama nga naman, of course. Alright. How about pagbate? Any greetings you wanna shout out?
Greeting po sa lahat ng mga kuya ate ko sa the Fraternal Order of Eagles. Sa church ko po, I'm a part of a church which is Your Hope with Him, which lagi kami mga ministry. Sa lahat po ng mga kaibigan ko sa basketball, TTH, yan, sa mga basta mga ka-basketball natin dyan po sa Olongapo City. Lahat ng mga taga-Olongapo po. At saka mga kasama ko sa trading company. Thank you very much.
All right. Okay, awesome. Once again, pare Koy, thank you for taking the call, ha, ladies and gentlemen. The
It's my
artist,
pleasure.
the artist, Road Derek, our special feature for today here on the Morning Brew Show. Once again, thank you, pare Koy. Maraming salamat.
Thank you po. God bless.
All right, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We play this song in case you missed it. Pwede nyo i-replay sa Facebook Live video natin. That's live right now. Pero since in-off natin yung music no? Puntahan nyo na lang sa channel kasi si Facebook kasi binubura yung yung video pag may music I don't know why even though we're a radio station. So puntahan nyo na lang yung YouTube channel na sinasuggest ni Road Derek. Okay? So, yun din yung pangalan, Roderick on YouTube, his channel. Okay? And also, before we take the quick top of the hour break, a couple of invites here for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Ayan, they are inviting you. Tara kape. Alright? So, this July, SM Supermalls invites shoppers to experience the joy of coffee. Alam mo naman ang coffee, no? Cultural phenomenon ng coffee. Parang it's right now the most popular drink in the world, coffee. Ayan, the joy of coffee in a whole new way at your favorite mall hangouts. SM's Coffee Fest is back and better than ever. All right, so get hype at SM with the most deals, the most aesthetic art vibes, or even just chill with us and enjoy a rich cup of coffee. Hashtag Tarakape at SM. Check your favorite SM malls page for more details. All right, they will be having stuff like the coffee deals, coffee and music, coffee market, coffee hangout spots, and coffee and art. Wow. All right, so check it out. Tarakape. Let's copy at SM. And also, Ace Hardware is having the mid-year clearance sale. All right, so check it out. Enjoy amazing deals on your favorite home improvement essentials until July 15. Ace Hardware, Olongapo City Downtown, and SM City Olongapo Central. And also, do check out the our home, rather the home SM Tastic Home Sale. There you go. From SM Home. Okay, so simply use your Smack Advantage card or Smack Prestige, up to 50% off on select items, extra 10% off when you use those cards that I mentioned. This is gonna be on June 28 only. Ayan, so one day affair lang to, ha. Tomorrow lang si SMAC Tastic or Smack Tastic Home Sale. Okay, all right. And aside from that, the Great North Luzon Sale will be happening June 28 to the 30th. So check it out at SM Olongapo Downtown and SM City Olongapo Central. Okay, so check it out. Up to 50% off on selected items. The Great North Luzon Sale. All right. And Guess is having the end of season sale up to 50% off on their items from June 17 rather. It started June 17 and it will last up until the last day of July 31. Okay, so visit Guess at the ground level, SM Central, SM City Olongapo Central. All right, and for delicious natural frozen yogurt, visit Yao Yao at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Okay, and they got also delicious toppings for fruits. All right, and Maki Ramen Noodles is open at the 4th level at the food court of SM City Olongapo Central. Visit Maki Ramen there for delicious, different flavors, different varieties of authentic ramen. Okay, and Conti's is having their is offering their cookie medley for everybody. Okay, mga mahilig sa cookie, your cookie dreams will come true. Check out the cookie medley at Conti's, located at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Ang cookie dreams, cookie medley. Also, the end of season sale starts tomorrow for SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. In fact, all SM stores nationwide, June 28, starting tomorrow, Friday, up until July 7, up to 70% off on selected items. The end of season sale. And H&M at the ground level also of SM Central invites you to their sale. Sale starts now, up to 50% off at H&M. Also, do visit the iSports Trampoline Park at the 3rd level of SM City Olongapo Central. If you love jumping and bouncing, visit the iSports Trampoline Park, 3rd level, SM Central. lastly, Our Home at the third level of SM Central is having a special sale for their recliners. All right, less 10,000 pesos. Binawasan ng 10,000 pesos yung prices ng beautiful recliners, beautiful and comfy. And I hope one day makabili ako nito, no. Sarap humilata dito eh. Umupo, humilata, recliners nga eh. Pwedeng upo, pwedeng hilata. Great deals, less 10,000 pesos on the recliners at Our Home. This is a June 2024 offer only. So malapit na matapos ang June, ha. So you guys better hurry. Okay, I got one more invite for you guys. Check out the Karamiya free delivery for orders made via www.karamiya.ph or call 8822-1111. Karamiya Cakes and Gelatos, ground level, SM City, Olongapo Central. Okay, we will now take the quick top of the hour break. We will be back with more. Please stick around.
Too big,